code, the changes will be, instead of new, you can use calculate sum 0 to get only instance, calculate product 0 to get only instance. So for the application example that I have taken for a real-time data processing, where we needs to apply a strategy, and it is basically the requirement that the values that needs to be that on which the algorithm needs to be performed, there is no need of instance of keeping those values, so you can just directly call the singleton instance, and this will not create unnecessary objects, and this will be much better in performance than our earlier example, the first example that we took. So let's see this example working. So this is our client strategy 2, where we are using the only instance, and we have singleton implementations for the strategy calculate sum 0 to. I am taking one example. The similarly product 0 to will be available. So this is final, then this is a static method having containing only instance of the class, and the constructor is private, and get only instance method, and this is our concrete implementation of algorithm. So if I run this particular application, it will give the same result, the 25 and the 36. So let's see the output. The same output will be there. Now another variation that can be possible with the strategy, you can